Hello guys, welcome to Learning Oasis. In today's video, how to configure a simple LAN network using hubs and switches that you're going to see. Okay, from end devices, I am selecting a PC, drag and drop, one more PC, third one, fourth one. Okay, then I am going to form a simple LAN network using hubs now. So select an hub. First hub you can select, drag and drop. So if you keep the cursor here, it is a 6 port hub. So maximum 6 systems you can connect with it. Okay, I'm going to connect only 4 systems. Next, click on the connection. Here, when you are connecting different devices, you have to use copper straight through cable. Click here, select the interface, click on the PC. So here also select first Ethernet. Similarly, straight through cable, second interface, drop it here, select the interface, again select the interface, place it, first Ethernet. So next interface. So connection is ready now. We have to configure the PCs. So click on the PC, double click on it. Here you can see desktop. In desktop, go to IP config. So in IPv4 address, let it be static address. We are going to give the address. So 10.0.0.1 I am giving. Click on the subnet mask. Then close it. Just I am copying it for other devices. Go to next machine, double click on it. Go to desktop, IP configuration. Give the next address, that is 10.0.0.2. Click on the subnet mask. Similarly, third system, click on it, IP config. Third system, 10.0.0.3, click on subnet mask, close it. Same way, click on third last PC, desktop, IP config 4, subnet mask, close it. See, in Cisco packet tracer, for hubs and switches, we need not configure. That is, those hubs and switches are auto configurable in Cisco packet tracer. It means we need not assign any address to hubs and switches. Okay, hub is a non-intelligent device which cannot store any of the system's address which are connected with it. So the nature of hub is simply it will broadcast the message, whatever message it receives from any system, it will simply broadcast to all other system. So it is a insecure way of communication. So using hubs in a LAN network is inefficient way. Okay. To overcome that, we can use switches in the local area network. So I am in real time mode. We are going to communicate from any machine to any machine. We will check whether it is reachable or not. Click on any machine, go to command prompt. So I told you already in the previous video how to check the IP address of particular computer using IP config command. So this is the first machine. Okay, from here I'm going to check whether any other systems are reachable or not. 10.0.0.3 I'm going to check. Yes, I'm getting the reply. It is reachable. So ping is a command used to check whether the destination machine is reachable or not. Okay, same way you can check it from any other computer also. So ping, I'm going to send a message to first machine 0.0.1. Yes, I'm getting a reply. So in real time mode, using command prompt, we can check. Similarly, click on simulation mode. Here on top you can see the simple PDU, that is message packet. Select that, place it on any machine from where to where you have to communicate, sending machine and receiving machine. After placing, if it is coming 2 times like this, means you just delete the scenario. The communication won't be proper. Do it again. Do it slowly. place it slowly, then tap on the play button. Yes, see, it is broadcasting messages to all other system, and acknowledgement acknowledgement also broadcasted. So this is how the hubs working in the LAN network. So the machines cannot communicate directly through this central device. Through this central device only they can communicate with one another. Okay. Same way we will see how that switches works. Okay. What I am going to do means going back to real time mode. Here I am going to select this hub and delete that. You have an icon here. Using that you can delete. So deleted. Okay. Escape. Now I am going to use switches. Click on the network device. You can find the switches under that. So here you select 2960 switch. 2960 first switch. Place it here. Actually it is a 24 port switch. 24 port switch, maximum 24 devices you can connect. Here for demo purpose we have connected 4 systems. Already we have given IP addresses also to the computers. Switches are auto configurable, we need not give any address. So now we are going to give the connections. So click on the connection icon. So switches and PCs are again different devices. Different devices means you have to use copper straight through cable. Click on, select any one of the interfaces rather than console. Console is not used for connectivity purpose, it is for port management purpose. So select any other connecting interfaces. So I'm selecting fast Ethernet, place it here. So again fast Ethernet interface. Similarly for other computers. Next interface, fast Ethernet standard. Okay, now connection is given. It is still in orange color. Please wait for a while, let it turns to green color. So switches are intelligent devices. When compared to hubs, switches are intelligent devices which can able to store the MAC address of systems connected with it. So by default it will do unicasting. Unicasting means one to one communication. It will not broadcast as like the hub does. Okay. So in switches, we have a memory to store the MAC addresses of computers connected with it. Now the entire connection is turned to green color. Now it is ready for communication. So we are in real time mode now. We'll check it from in real time mode using commands. So go to command prompt, click on any system, go to command prompt. So here I am going to check by sending message to 10.0.0.4. Yes, I am getting reply. It is working. Same way you can check it from any other computer. Now I'm going to use simulation mode. Selected simulation mode. Take a simple PDU, protocol data unit. Place from any machine to any other machine, sending machine and receiving machine. It is coming to packet. You delete the scenario, try again. Do it slowly. Now click on the play button. Message sent to the destination. Acknowledgement also sent to the sender. So it is unicast message. It is not broadcasting. Thank you guys.